Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best IPTV player to your Fire Stick in 2026, as well as how to set it up. The whole process will be pretty easy, and it's gonna take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is we need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar, and now you have to start typing Downloader in this search. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and here's that orange application, which you'll need to get to your device. But after you got the loader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to do that, we'll need to go to settings, just by clicking that little button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it up, and here's the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Spain right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to a list of apps on your device. Let's open it, and it is time to start using the Downloader now. So open it up together, and here in a search, we just have to enter a link, which will be TiviMate.com. So let's enter that link together. Once again, it's TiviMate.com. Just enter the link exactly as you see, and without making any mistakes, of course. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page will open up and you have to scroll down a bit until you'll see the download APK button. That is exactly what we're looking for. Click on it and the download of the app has started now. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Now let me lower down my camera, just one moment, and here you'll notice the install button. So click on install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And now we go back to a list of apps on the Fire TV stick. Let's do it together. Here it is, open it. And now there at the bottom you'll find TiviMate IPTV Player, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And then let's go and open up the TiviMate IPTV Player together. And from here, it's actually pretty easy to set up. Just click on add a playlist. And now it all depends on your IPTV provider. So if your provider gave you an M3 link, then just click on M3 playlist. Click on enter URL, enter the link which was given to you by your IPTV provider. Click next. And this way, the playlist is going to appear in your IPTV player. Alternatively, some IPTV providers might be giving you extreme codes instead of M3 links. In that case, if you got an extreme code, you just click that option, enter the server address, which is basically a link, and then add a username and a password, which also should be given to you by your IPTV provider. So enter all that information, which is required, then you click next, and just like that, you are going to add the playlist to your IPTV application. So yeah, TiviMate is one of the best IPTV players that you can use on a Fire Stick in 2026, and that was a full tutorial on how to download it and set up IPTV on the Fire TV Stick device. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.